Hey guys, and welcome back to FYI Friday. So my tip for you guys today is if you are having kind of trouble with your brow hair, like your brow hair is going crazy halfway through the day, like sticking straight up or down or whatever, or if your brow product doesn't stay on very well, it kind of smudges off and you kind of just, you're just kind of having troubles with your brows staying where they're supposed to be. One thing that has kind of made a world of difference in my life has been brow gels. Whether it is the clear brow gels like this one from Anastasia, or it is the Glossier Boy Brow, they all are awesome. If you are not a big one on using like a bunch of products on your brows, if you have naturally really thick brown, dark brows, the Boy Brow might work for you, in the fact that like if you have little missing patches, it will fill it in for you. Again, if you do have really thick brows and you don't need a bunch of color, that is where the clear brow gel will work for you, because it'll just kind of hold things where they're supposed to be without adding any color. So with the Glossier Boy Brow, just the it has like a tinted brown to it. You can even use this before. You can use it before or after you use your eyebrow products. So today I actually used it before because I dyed my brows last night, so they're really dark. So I kind of just wanted to hold them in place as I put down a little bit of brow product kind of where I needed it to be. With the clear brow gel, I tend to just kind of use this one as like a finishing brow gel. So like after I've already done everything with my brows, I will go back in with this and just kind of use that to keep everything in place. Alright guys, so long story short, if you are having trouble with your brows not staying where they're supposed to be, or the brow product moving around on you, try using a brow gel if you aren't already, just because it does kind of keep everything where it's supposed to be. Okay guys, so this is the end of this week's FYI Friday video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in next week's FYI Friday video. Bye!